Yo, what's up guys, it's JoshF Gaming. This time I'm on Clash Royale and I'm going to be playing some 2v2s with my friend Cook Tim. Alright, are you ready? Ready? Ready. Alright. Reefy. Okay. I think he's getting his book ready. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna be playing Giant 3 Musketeer Cycle, and our friend Cook Tim, he's gonna be playing Expo Cycle, and we're gonna be playing some 2v2s together. We're gonna see how that works out. I'm gonna 2v2 play with friends. Sure to clan. Alright, let's go! Alright, just got that Expo Cycle. Good luck. Okay. Tesla? Alright. Expo. Ha. Just gonna take that down. Three Musketeers are just so insanely good. A lot of people really underestimate them. Alright. Everything's dead. Alright. Well played. Grr. He's mad at us. Ha. We're gonna die to Zap. If he is Zap. He is Zap. That's good. Boom, boom. Alright. Tesla, go kill that dragon. Oh dear. Well played. No. Oops. Well played indeed. Go kill that stuff. PLZZZZZZZZZZZZZZZ. Zap. Everything died. Boom. Oh dear. I'm sad now. But we still have Musketeers, and he has Expo, so yeah, that's good. Boom. That died. That's good. Yay, double elixir. Alright. Now, this is where we're really going to get the stuff started. No. Oh well. Starting off with a loss, I don't think that can be too good. But maybe we can do better. Good luck. Rematch. Okay, let's go again. Yeah. Me and Cook Tim are friends at school. And yeah, that's right. I still go to school. Yeah. Zap! Yay! Now die, please. Oh no, no more Musketeers. Yes, they all died. That's good. Wow. Ah, he couldn't arrows everything. Don't be too greedy with your arrows, kids. He's got the ice golem. I think I just wasted an ice spirit. Zap. Zap. More zaps. Alright. You're doing pretty good. Pretty good. You're just gonna kill all that. Alright, nice. Okay, that's pretty good. Musky. Alright, one Expo on the tower. Darn it. But one Electro Wizard on the Expo. Yay! He spent a whole fireball just on that. My friend, I don't think that was quite the best play. Zap. That's my spirit. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get too much damage off of that. Zip. One giant hit? Yes. Alright. Now we just have to log cycle, and I think that's a good game for us. Like 2 or 3 Expo hits would be really good for us. Yeah. Zap that stuff. Alright, that's good. Another Tesla tower. Which kind of gets me mad when people say Tesla tower. I don't know why. I just find it. Tesla tower. No, so close. So close. I know, well, the goal is not really to win. It's just to have fun because this is kind of pointless. But whatever. Hi. Okay. Let's do another battle. Kind of late in saying that. But whatever. Okay. Expo. Muskies. What could go wrong? A lot of things. A lot. Oh, that could go wrong. See, that could go wrong. Die. Thank you for dying. As Clash with Shane says. Dude, guys, I have a question for you guys. Clash with Shane or Clash with Ash? Let me know in the comments. Clash with Shane or Clash with Ash? I want to know your guys' opinion. Zap. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I don't think these two decks are a pretty good combination. I skill them. don't like bandits. The real kind or the Clash Royale kind. I think that's pretty much a good game. If we could win right now, that would be, like, impossible. Yep, there we go. GG's. Change Dex question mark? Can you change Dex? Still recording. Still recording. I think I'm still recording. Yes, I'm still recording. Oh, okay. Sure, but it still has to be a cycle. Okay. Should I do ghost cycle? That's good. So, we should do ghost hog cycle. Ha 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 hog. Okay, two. I don't know what I'm doing playing with the ghost hog cycle. I'm not going to question it. Good luck. Ghost golem. Darn it. Ghost kill that goblin. That nasty goblin. No. I'm sorry, man. That doesn't work anymore. Actually, never mind. It never did work in the first place. But that poofy time is just so slow. I don't think I'm really noticing the Spear Goblin nerf. It just seems so funny how, like, things are just, like, not noticing the ghost. I love it. I love it. Oh, Greta. Zap. No hits. No hits. Yay. Let's go. I'm not really noticing the ghost nerf too much. I'm sorry I'm not talking as much. Two. Oh, wow. Good luck. Magical chest. You get a magical chest. Magical chest. Nope. Alright, good. We cancel Ed. Stardew Clan. Yep, still recording. And sometimes, like, the recording just turns off for some reason. Click, 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 click. All cards are created equally, even Royal Giant. Good luck. Dark Goblin. And doesn't get damaged. So, oops. Zap. Okay, Zap. Take Ed care of it. Ed. Education. I'm kind of disappointed. 2 ghost nerfs and 2 balance changes. Pew. Oops, no damage. You're gonna zap that? Alright. I'm certainly fine with that. Pew, now die stuff. Thank you for dying. Oh no, not Elite Barbarian's Rage. Elite Barbarian's Rage is never good. Pew, 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 pew. That's like such a slow hit speed. Nope. Double nope. Dude, what's up with those fireballs? No, you should have zapped that stuff. That would have been good. the log. Zap that. Yes. That was a needed zap. Okay. Match over? Oh, it's overtime. Good luck. Okay. I think I'm going to have to end this video after this battle. But, yeah. Sorry I can't do it longer. I just don't have a whole bunch of time. Boom, what? 2 ghost hit, 3 ghost hit, 3 ghost hit. No, this is not the best play. What? I can just hear them playing Sonic. This is going to be a difficult match. I keep feeling like I'm not recording. What was that? Was that a clone spell? Well, you just revealed to me one of your cards. Thank you very much. Ice Spirit? Yeah. No, darn it. Algrata. Boom, 1 hit. 2 hit. Alright. Whoa. I totally forgot he had clone. But it's kind of an underleveled clone, so that's good. Can we sneak in a ghost? Darn it. Zap. Come on, Hog Rider. You can make it. You can make it. Yes, you made it. This guy's playing Golem Night Witch Beatdown, but I'm sorry, man, you're not very good at it. Zap all the stuff. That's good. And GG's. Good game. Okay, well, good luck. And I'm sorry, man. Got to go. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. He is all silver. Okay, and we already have that going, so we're not gonna open the magical chest. And yeah, that's here's one of the decks. And the other one is Giant and Three Musketeers instead of Hog and Ghost. Yeah, they're good on ladder, not good on 2v2. Don't use them on 2v2, they're bad. I think. At least they're bad with another cycle deck. And yeah. End of stream. Dot. Yeah. That's it. Goodbye from JoshF Gaming.